Creative sculptured wood furniture represents a unique fusion of artistry and functionality, offering numerous benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. This approach to furniture design transforms ordinary pieces into extraordinary works of art, enhancing both the appeal and utility of living spaces. The advantages of incorporating sculptured wood furniture into homes are profound, influencing emotional well-being, environmental sustainability, and the overall experience of the living environment. One of the most compelling benefits of creative sculptured wood furniture is its ability to serve as a statement piece within a room. Unlike conventional furniture, sculptured designs often capture attention and spark conversation. These unique pieces can become focal points in a space, drawing the eye and inviting admiration. The artistic nature of sculptured furniture allows homeowners to express their individuality and personal style, creating an environment that reflects their tastes and values. This distinctiveness contributes to a sense of identity within the home, making it feel more personal and inviting. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative sculptured wood furniture ideas and other modern wood decor ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the organic shapes and forms found in sculptured wood furniture can evoke emotional responses. The natural curves and textures of wood resonate with many people, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This connection to nature can enhance feelings of comfort and relaxation, making spaces more conducive to social interactions and gatherings. When individuals feel at ease in their environments, they are more likely to engage positively with family and friends, fostering deeper connections and enhancing overall well-being. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, sculptured wood furniture pieces often showcase exceptional craftsmanship. The skill required to create these intricate designs is a testament to the artisan's dedication and expertise. This craftsmanship not only elevates the quality of the furniture, but also imbues each piece with a story. Homeowners can appreciate the time and effort that went into creating these works of art, fostering a deeper connection to the items in their homes. This appreciation for craftsmanship can also lead to a greater emphasis on quality over quantity, encouraging individuals to invest in fewer, more meaningful pieces rather than filling their spaces with mass-produced items. The environmental aspect of sculptured wood furniture is another significant advantage. Many artisans prioritize using sustainably sourced wood and eco-friendly finishes in their creations. By choosing responsibly harvested materials, woodworkers contribute to the preservation of forests and promote sustainable practices within the industry. This commitment to environmental responsibility resonates with consumers who are increasingly conscious of their ecological footprint. Purchasing sculptured wood furniture made from sustainable materials allows individuals to support artisans who prioritize the health of the planet, enhancing their sense of purpose and alignment with their values. Moreover, the versatility of sculptured wood furniture allows it to fit seamlessly into a variety of design styles. Whether in a contemporary, rustic, or eclectic setting, these unique pieces can complement and enhance the overall aesthetic of a room. This adaptability means that homeowners can enjoy the beauty of sculptured furniture without worrying about it clashing with their existing decor. The ability to blend artistry with function makes sculptured wood furniture a timeless addition to any home, ensuring it remains relevant regardless of changing design trends. The process of incorporating sculptured wood furniture into a home can also inspire creativity and innovation in other areas of design. As homeowners embrace unique furniture pieces, they may feel encouraged to explore more artistic approaches to their overall decor. This willingness to experiment can lead to a more personalized and cohesive design that reflects individual tastes and lifestyles. By surrounding themselves with creatively designed furniture, individuals can cultivate an environment that inspires creativity and self-expression, enriching their daily lives. Additionally, sculptured wood furniture often encourages mindfulness and intentional living. The presence of beautifully crafted pieces can serve as a reminder to appreciate the beauty in everyday life. When individuals invest in unique furniture, they are more likely to take the time to care for and cherish their possessions. This mindfulness can extend beyond furniture to other areas of life, encouraging individuals to embrace quality, craftsmanship, and intentionality in their choices. The act of selecting and caring for sculptured wood furniture can foster a deeper appreciation for the beauty of craftsmanship and the importance of sustainability. The unique nature of sculptured wood furniture also provides opportunities for storytelling within a home. Each piece can carry its own narrative, whether it's the inspiration behind its design or the journey of the wood itself. Homeowners can share the stories of their sculptured furniture with guests, creating connections and enriching social interactions. This storytelling aspect can transform a house into a home, as individuals weave their personal experiences and histories into the fabric of their living spaces. The emotional resonance of these stories can enhance the overall atmosphere, making homes feel more inviting and connected. Moreover, the tactile experience of sculptured wood furniture adds another layer of enjoyment. The smooth curves and rich textures invite touch, creating a sensory experience that enhances the connection between individuals and their environments. This tactile quality can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, encouraging individuals to engage more fully with their spaces. The physical interaction with beautifully sculpted pieces can lead to a deeper appreciation for the artistry involved, fostering a sense of pride in owning unique, handcrafted items. In addition to the emotional and aesthetic benefits, sculptured wood furniture can also serve practical purposes. Many designs incorporate innovative storage solutions or multifunctional elements, allowing for efficient use of space. As urban living spaces become increasingly compact, the demand for furniture that combines artistry and functionality grows. Sculptured wood furniture can meet this need by offering creative solutions that enhance both the beauty and utility of a home. This duality of form and function makes sculptured pieces not only visually appealing, but also practical for everyday use. Furthermore, the investment in sculptured wood furniture can yield long-term financial benefits. While the initial cost may be higher than mass-produced alternatives, the durability and quality of handcrafted pieces often lead to greater longevity. Well-made furniture can withstand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This durability translates to cost savings in the long run, as homeowners invest in fewer, high-quality items rather than continuously purchasing cheaper, lower-quality furniture. Additionally, unique sculptured pieces may appreciate in value over time, making them not just functional investments, but also potential assets. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative sculptured wood furniture ideas and other modern wood decor ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.